Good day guys, let's continue our topic about MA-C engine. This is electronic control engine. So let's talk about the engine control system. So we have the MOP. So we have two MOPs on board, the MOP-A and the MOP-B. The MOP-A is the master, the MOP-B is the backup. So the MOP guys, this is located in the engine control room. So which a personal computer with touchscreen as well as a trackball, from where the engineer can carry engine commands. So they can adjust the engine parameters, the selective running modes, and observe the status of the control system. So they can observe the status also of the engine. So ito guys, ito yung pinaka-control talaga, yung sa MOP. Dito talaga mo makita, ma-monitor mo lahat yung operation ng engine. So this is as well as the conventional marine approved PC. So this is located in the engine control room. So guys, may papakita ako sa inyong video kung ano yung MOP, yung function, status, yan, kung ano yung program niya. That's all guys. This is the backup. So if something happen with the MOP-A guys, you can use the MOP-B. If something happen with the MOP-B guys, you can use the MOP-A.